Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use images in HubSpot content. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the different tools and features available. Once you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Marketing to expand that section. After the menu opens up, click on Emails. This will take you to the area where all your email campaigns and drafts are stored, and it's where you'll be able to add images to your content. Now, browse through your list of emails and click on the specific email where you want to use images. This will open up the email editor where you can make changes to the content, layout, and design. The editor gives you full control over how your email looks before you send it out. On the left side of the email editor, you'll notice a plus icon. Click on this icon to bring up the list of content elements you can add to your email. This includes things like text blocks, buttons, dividers, and of course, images. It's a simple drag and drop system that makes building emails really straightforward. From the list of elements that appears, drag the image option over to the section of your email where you want it to be placed. You can position it anywhere within the email layout, whether that's at the top, middle, or bottom. Once you drop it in, you'll see a placeholder where your image will go. Next, click on Select Image. This opens up the image selection window where you can choose how you want to add your image. At the bottom of this window, you'll see an arrow down button next to the Upload option. Click on that arrow to see additional ways to add images. You can choose Add from URL if you have an image hosted online, or you can design with Adobe Express or design with Canva if you want to create something custom right inside HubSpot. These options give you flexibility depending on whether you already have an image ready or need to create one from scratch. For this example, let's just click Upload. This is the most common method, and it allows you to select an image directly from your computer. After clicking Upload, your file browser will open up. Browse through your folders and choose the image you want to use in your email. Once you've selected it, click Open to start the upload process. Now wait until the upload is complete. Depending on the size of the image and your internet speed, this might take just a few seconds. You'll see a progress indicator letting you know the file is being uploaded to HubSpot system. Once the upload is finished, you'll see your image appear in the recently updated section. This makes it easy to find the image you just uploaded without having to search through your entire file library. Click on the image and it will automatically show up in your email where you placed the image element earlier. And that's it. You've successfully added an image to your HubSpot email content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.